What a beautiful day. And butterflies as well. Orange tipped. Wonderful. Wow, there's lots of them all down the side of the boat here. It's amazing. Well, this is beautiful. Hello.
Got a lovely sunny spot.
Thank you. Where are you heading?
Up to Marthorne on the Peak Forest.
Oh, lovely. Enjoy your journey.
Thank you.
So, what have I been up to? Well, I've been just generally doing what I do. Cruise up and down the Cut. Chilling out at some beautiful moorings, enjoying the beautiful surroundings of nature. I've also been busy, and you might have noticed something. Have you noticed something different about the boat? What's different? Well, if you haven't already spotted, the roof boxes have gone off the top of the boat. And there's a reason for that. It's all part of my next new journey. A new adventure, and it's about to happen very soon. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it, but a little bit more at the end. To organise all this big adventure that I'm going on, I needed to get off the Cut. I need to get in a marina. I got rid of the boxes in the marina. Another boat I had them, and then I've been doing a bit of DIY on the boat, bit of painting here and there, rubbing down, all them sort of jobs that you need to do. I want the boat to look good as well, you know, of course. But it's a great time of the year, obviously, to do it when it's good weather. And thanks to Line View Marina for allowing me to moor up in there. Look at all these beautiful butterflies behind me. Hello, even one coming to see me right now. Isn't that beautiful? How wonderful. Living on the canal, nature has provided some wonderful experiences for me. Not just the butterflies fluttering by on the towpath, and not just this beautiful scenery that I have. Sunsets, sunrises, being able to just come out on a night time and look up into the sky and look at all them beautiful stars, do some stargazing, watching the drifting clouds. Just watching the changing seasons. I've enjoyed so much of it. It's been wonderful. And it is really a truly magnificent canal, the Macclesfield Canal and the Upper Peak Forest Canal as well. But one of the most beautiful experiences, the dawn chorus. But you have to get up early for it. And we're at that time of the year now when it is magnificent. The bird song, even now you can still hear the birds, and we're getting into late lunch now. But early morning, if you can get up early enough, and wrap up as well, because it can be chilly. It is amazing. It is my entertainment. I don't have a telly. My entertainment is nature. So sit back, relax, and then after this, I'll tell you all about my new adventure. Enjoy. It's 5 a.m. and the birds have started singing. And over the next few hours, it will get louder. And the peak of the dawn chorus is just after sunrise. But we're still a little bit way off from there. I think I've got time to pop inside and get myself a nice cup of coffee. Because it is quite cold this morning. I've had to put my gloves on. They're all calling out to each other, trying to find a mate. It's like one big dating site, really. That's what it's like. Nature's dating site. That's better. Nice hot coffee. I was up for 4:30 a.m. this morning, and at 5 a.m. the birds started singing, and it was then that there was no sound of any aeroplanes, nobody on the Canal towpath, no traffic, so it was just pure sound of nature. And how beautiful it was. And it's still beautiful now, even though there is that distant sound of the world waking up. You can actually just focus into the sound of the birds, then the rest of the sounds behind that disappear. That's what I call tuning into nature. What a great way to start a day. Getting up early, listening to the orchestral sound of the birds. And look at that beautiful, glorious sun coming through the trees now. That glistening light, it's lovely, isn't it? And how it's lighting up all the foliage around me, making it more vibrant, adding colour. Without the sun, we wouldn't have light, we wouldn't have colour, we wouldn't have warmth. Getting up on mornings like this, I really appreciate nature and our beautiful planet. I mean, you just can't beat a beautiful dawn chorus, drifting clouds, and a beautiful sunrise. What great entertainment. No need for a television. This is my breakfast morning show. What is this new adventure, this new journey that I'm going on? Wow, let me tell you. I'm leaving England. I'm going to live somewhere else. I'm leaving the Canal. Yeah, I'm leaving the beautiful Macclesfield Canal, the Upper Peak Forest Canal, and I'm heading off south. I'm heading to Wales, South Wales, Monmouthshire and Brecon Canal. A beautiful stretch through the Brecon Beacons. But the boat can't get there on water. It has to come out of the water. It has to be transported there, so it has to go on the back of a lorry. And then there's the job of craning it out. It's quite a big move, but it's going to be a great one, a great brand new adventure. When I get down there, I want to discover the nature, the wildlife, the surrounding hills, amazing mountains. And just look at this, it's incredible. There's so much to discover and explore, and including the wildlife. There's an abundance of wildlife. Look at this red kite, amazing. And then it's not just about exploring the canals, it's also about exploring the coastline too. I've had a beautiful time here for the last 8 years. It's been incredible. So many places to discover and enjoy. And I'm grateful for everybody that I've met and made friends with, on this canal. Quite emotional. You know, we all have to move on and get on with our lives, you know. I'd like to say a big thank you to Paolo C and Trevor Demir for producing some great music for my vlogs for the last 4 years or so since I started. Wonderful music, and I'm very grateful for that. And if you enjoy their music, then you can also listen to that again or download it from Bandcamp. I'll put the links in the description. A big thank you to you, the viewer, and to all my subscribers, Patreon members, everybody that's bought me a coffee, buy me a coffee, everybody that's joined me and followed me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you to all my followers. Without you, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I wouldn't have been on this journey for the last 4 years, and also about to start a new journey. So if you are going to join me on the next episode, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, click the bell button for notifications. Also, you'll find me on Instagram and Facebook. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode as we get the boat out the water and take it down the motorway all the way to South Wales. Much gratitude and love from my heart. Thank you.